Biomedical Engineering program at Delft University of Technology is an interfaculty postgraduate program with participating research departments from 3 different faculties. That includes Faculty of Mechanical, Maritime and Materials Engineering, Faculty of Applied Sciences, and Faculty of Electrical Engineering, Mathematics and Computer Science. We have 3 tracks in this program that includes
Neuromusculoskeletal Biomechanics, Medical Devices, and Medical Physics.
In this video, we would like to present some of the research facilities that are used for the training of biomedical engineering students.
Track 1. Neuromusculoskeletal Biomechanics. The Gait Lab. The Gait Lab is used to study the biomechanics and motor control of human movement, employing motion capture, ground reaction forces, and 16-channel electromyography. The Neuromechanics and Motor Control Lab. The Neuromechanics and Motor Control Lab has force-controlled robotics for system identification of the human limbs to expedite diagnostics and improve therapy of movement disorders. The EEG Lab. In the EEG Lab, high-end EEG measurements enable the tracking of sensory and motor signals throughout the cortex. The Tissue Biomechanics Lab. The mechanical properties of biological tissues are characterized under uniaxial and multiaxial loading in the Tissue Biomechanics Lab. Our facilities allow for this characterization at various length scales and under both quasi-static and dynamic loading. The Bicycle Lab. At the Bicycle Lab, we research the dynamics and control of bicycles. We study the dynamics of the bicycle rider system to understand how humans control bicycles. Track 2. Medical Devices. The Additive Manufacturing Lab. Our Additive Manufacturing Lab has been pioneering the application of 3D printing techniques for fabrication of medical devices with a focus on metallic and polymeric materials. The Biomaterials Characterization Lab. The Biomaterials Characterization Lab uses advanced techniques to perform physicochemical characterization of biomaterials and biomaterial cell interactions. The Biomaterials Surface Biofunctionalization Lab. The Biomaterials Surface Biofunctionalization Lab has unique equipment such as plasma electrolytic oxidation to make multifunctional implants and biomaterials. The El Sequoia Lab. At the El Sequoia Lab, students learn about bio-micro-electromechanical structures, biosensors, biomedical circuits and systems, biomedical signal processing, and biomedical microsystems. The Biomedical Electronics Lab. At the Biomedical Electronics Lab, students can process their own devices, chips, microsystems, and algorithms, as well as testing technical, in vitro, and in vivo functionalities. The Bioinspired Technology Group. In the Bioinspired Technology Group, we aim to develop innovative medical devices inspired by clever biological solutions in nature, for example, snake-like surgical instruments. The Cytocompatibility and Biointerfaces Lab. The Cytocompatibility and Biointerfaces Lab is a dedicated, state-of-the-art facility for assessing the in vitro effects of biomaterials on cells' behavior. The Minimally Invasive Surgery and Interventional Techniques Lab. The Minimally Invasive Surgery and Interventional Techniques Lab has a fully equipped mock-up operation room used to develop and test innovative surgical instruments and training systems for minimally invasive interventions. The Prosthetics and Orthotics Lab. In the Prosthetics and Orthotics Lab, we design and evaluate innovative assistive devices based on new principles like microhydraulics, hybrid actuation, and self-grasping mechanisms. Track 3. Medical Physics. The Holland Proton Therapy Center. Holland Proton Therapy Center is the independent clinic and research center in which TU Delft, Leiden University Medical Center, and Erasmus Medical Center collaborate in providing excellent care and groundbreaking research. The research focuses on the application of advanced imaging to make proton therapy more accurate and to spare the surrounding tissue. The Medical Image Processing Lab. In the Medical Image Processing Lab, students work on medical image processing problems using dedicated software packages. The Transducer Lab. In the Transducer Lab, students develop their own measurement devices and perform experiments using ultrasound transducers. Biomedical Engineering Master's Program.